Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm shooting this video after using this Galaxy Tab A7 Lite for a while right now. I really like it. It's a good budget tablet for your basic needs. If you want to read ebooks or any other documents, if you want to stream movies from your favorite streaming services such as Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus, or any other kind of streaming service, then the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is perfect for you. It's a good budget entry-level tablet, and it's from a known brand, and I have been using it now for a week. I do recommend it for basic users, and even if you want to play simple basic games, it will be good enough for that. So let's go for the unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox this Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. So as usual, I will start by looking around the box, and we'll open the box and we'll also turn it on and see how we can set it up. So let's have a look here on the box. If you have a closer look, and here, okay, so we'll have the tablet itself. This is the tablet, and here we have the warranty card, the quick start guide, and we have this pen to open the storage. We'll see in a minute. We have the charger. Let's have a closer look at this charger. 8-watt charger. I think it will be very slow. Maybe I need to buy another charger. And this is the charging cable. I think it's about 60 centi. It has a USB-C connection and a normal USB connection here to the charger. Let's open this up. Okay, it's glued. Okay, this is it. There is a 3.5mm audio jack here and a USB-C microphone, and there is a speaker here, and there is a speaker here on top also. And this is the front facing camera, and this is the back facing camera, and let's see here, this is the volume button, and this is an on and off, and here is where you put expansion card. I bought the Wi-Fi model because I don't need LTE. I will mostly use this at home. I bought this model actually because I want a tablet for reading and also watching maybe YouTube videos, but mostly for reading. So yeah. Okay, so let's turn it on. So let it boot up. You know what, let's remove this. So as you see, it's starting up Android because this is the first time it's starting. So you will get a welcome screen. Let's start. Here you will select the language. Let's say English, United States. Next. Select country or region. Okay, let's select Iraq for now because I'm on the same time zone. Apparently this tablet is supposed to be distributed to one of these countries. Okay. This is the usual legal things. I just say I agree to all the above, because if you don't agree to it, it will not start. Let's say next. Choose a Wi-Fi network. Okay, so let me just select a Wi-Fi network. I connected to my Wi-Fi network, and now we'll say next. Now it's checking for updates. Let me get this out of the way for the time being. Okay, so you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, Google account, and we'll not do this right now. Just say don't copy. Sign into Google. Well, you can sign into your Google account, but I'm not doing that right now. Skip account setup, yes, skip right now. I just want the tablet to start up. Do you want to use your location? No. Allow scanning, allow apps and services to scan the Wi-Fi networks and nearby devices at any time. Okay, send usage and diagnose user, okay, install updates, okay, accept. Okay, so now I'm going to set up my password. You can use face recognition, pattern, PIN or password. I'll just use a PIN right now. Okay, so I set up my PIN. So now it's getting the tablet ready. Do you want to set up your Samsung account? Let's skip that for now. Skip on this, yes, skip right now. Okay, you're all set up. Okay, as you see, it's downloading software. Okay, it started up. Let's check now. It comes with Netflix, Play Store, and all the Android features. Okay, if you go up like that, you will see the settings. I just want to make sure that everything is okay. For example, display, brightness. So it's good for indoor use, but I don't think it will be bright enough for outdoor use. Okay. And I didn't want to get let's say a Samsung A8 because that will be 10 inches, and I want something small because I will be using this mostly while I'm in bed reading, and I might read something like this or like that. You know what, let's download a document right now to read, and we'll see how. Okay, agree to Samsung Internet. Update, remind me later. Let's go to Blackmagic Design and let's go to the PDF files. Training box, okay. Fairlight, download PDF, allow access to photos. Yes, download. Downloaded, so open that file. Okay, so I think the text is a little bit small like this, so I might rotate it like that. Yes, okay. This is a very good size for reading. So it was just an unboxing and a setup tutorial. Thank you for watching. This is what comes in the box: this tool, the tablet itself, and the charger. And I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.